Tired of lead data chaos? Let's transform that mess into a streamlined, efficient follow-up boss system. First, your success starts with your CSV file. Open your contact list in a spreadsheet program like Google Sheets or Excel. Make sure each column is clearly labeled and that the data within it is consistent. For example, keep your name formats uniform, like first name last name in the name column. Double check for typos, extra spaces, or invalid characters, especially in email addresses and phone numbers. Errors here will cause problems later. Now, log into your follow-up boss account and navigate to the admin section, usually found in the top right corner. Click on the import option. On the import page, you'll be prompted to upload your CSV file. Select the file you prepared. Next, you'll map the columns in your CSV file to the corresponding fields in follow-up boss. For example, match your name column to follow-up boss's name field, email to email, and so on. Pay special attention to the lead source field. Accurate lead source data is crucial for tracking your marketing ROI. Choose whether to assign the imported leads to a specific agent or team. This ensures the right people are notified and can follow up promptly. Once the import is complete, review the confirmation screen. It will show the number of successfully imported contacts and any errors that occurred. Check a few sample contact records to make sure the data was imported correctly. Verify that the names, emails, phone numbers, and other details are accurate. Finally, use follow-up boss's smart lists to segment and manage your newly imported contacts. Congratulations, you've successfully imported your list into follow-up boss.